into cart using PHP with Ajax. There are many viewers has requested us to make PHP Ajax Shopping Cart with add multiple item into cart, so for this we have make this video tutorial. We have published many video tutorial on shopping cart topic, but in this tutorial we have add more feature like add multiple product into cart. In this tutorial we have also compress our PHP shopping cart script also. In this tutorial script code will be less than our previous shopping cart tutorial. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database, and in this we have one product table. In this table we have already inserted some product details, so we will make shopping cart by using this table data. This is our working folder. Product image has been stored under this images folder. Here we have 5 PHP file for make shopping cart with add multiple product into cart. This is our index.php page, and in this page we have already imported jQuery library and Bootstrap library link. Here we have already make 2 Bootstrap panel. One panel is used for display shopping cart details, and in other panel we will load product for add into cart. In shopping cart details panel, we have make one button like name and ID is equal to clear cart. By click on this but user can clear all his cart item details in single click. In this panel we have write ID is equal to shopping cart. Under this tag we will display cart details using Ajax, and this ID we will use as selector in jQuery code. Same way here in product list panel, we have make one button with name and ID is equal to add to cart. By click on this button user can add bulk item into cart. After this here in division tag with class is equal to panel body, we have add ID attribute is equal to display item. This attribute we will use as selector, and under this we will display product. First we want to load product, so we have moved to write jQuery code, and here we have make load product function. This function will display product on web page. Under this function we have write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to fetch item.php. Here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post. We have use post method for send data to server. After this we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we have write $ with division tag ID display item with HTML method, and under this we have write data. This method will display product on web page with checkbox. Now we have moved to write PHP code, so first we have make database connection. So here we have write $connect variable is equal to new to class. With 3 argument like MySQL host set to localhost, database name set to test, username set to root and password set to blank. Now we have go to fetch item.php page, and here we have write include database connection.php. This code will make database connection. After this we have write $query variable is equal to select star from product table, and order by ID in descending order. Below this we have write $statement variable is equal to $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable. This statement make query for execution. Now we have write if statement and under condition we have write $statement variable with execute method. If query successfully run then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will fetch query execution result, and store under this $result variable. After this we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable as $row variable. Under this loop we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append HTML code. Here in this division tag we have add ID attribute is equal to product underscore $ID variable. It will make dynamic ID name for every division tag. For display product image, we have write image tag with attribute source is equal to images folder / $row image variable. Below this image we want to display product name with checkbox for select this product for add into cart. So first for checkbox, we have write input type is equal to checkbox, class is equal to select product, data product ID is equal to $row ID variable. Data product name attribute is equal to $row name variable. Data product price attribute is equal to $row price variable, and for display product name, we have write $row name variable. This code will display product name with checkbox for select item into cart. This checkbox class attribute we will select as selector in jQuery code for fetch data attribute value like product ID, name and price. After this we want to display product price, so we have write $price variable. This way we have store HTML code of product display has been stored under $output variable. Now we want send to Ajax request, so here we have write echo statement with $output variable. Now we have go to index page, and here we have called this load product function. This function will be called on page load. So on page load it will display product on web page. Friends, here we can see when page has been loaded into browser, then we can see product on web page with checkbox. Here we can see only one add to cart button. So here user can select multiple product by checkbox selection, and in single click bulk product will added into cart, and cart details we can see above panel. Now we have go to index page, and we have make another load cart data function. This function will return shopping cart details in first panel on web page. Under this function we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to fetch cart.php. We have send request to this URL. In second option we have write method set to post. Here we have use post method for send data to server. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we have write $ with division tag ID shopping cart with HTML method, and under this we have write data. This code will display shopping cart details under this tag. Now we have moved to write PHP code on fetchcart.php page, and on this page first we have write session start function. This function will start session on this page. Below this we have defined two variable like $total price, and total item is equal to 0. After this we have write $output variable is equal to division tag with attribute is equal to order table. After this we have start write table tag with table column like product name, quantity, price of product, total amount of particular product and action. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not empty function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable. This condition will check if this $session shopping cart variable is not blank, then it will execute if block of code, otherwise, it will execute else block of code. Suppose we have already include some item into cart, then, it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have write for each loop with $session shopping cart variable as $keys, and $values. Under this we have write $output variable, and under this variable we have append table HTML code. Here we have defined one table row, and in this we have write first table data tag, and between this we have write $value product name variable. It will print product name under this column. In second column we want to display quantity, so here we have write $values product quantity variable. For display product price, we have write third table data tag, and under this we have write $values product price variable. Same way for display total amount of particular product, so we have defined table data tag, and between this we have write $values product quantity variable into $values product price variable. Lastly, for remove button, we have write button with name and class is equal to delete, ID is equal to $values product ID variable. By click on this button we can remove particular item from shopping cart. Now here we have write $total price variable is equal to $total price plus $values product quantity into $values product price. This code will calculate total of whole shopping cart. After this we have again write $output variable, and in this we have append HTML table code, and here we have write $total price variable. It will display total of whole shopping cart. This way we have store shopping cart details in HTML table format, which we have store under $output variable. Now we want to send this shopping cart details to Ajax request, so here we have write echo statement with $output variable. This details will send to Ajax request. Now we have go to index page. Here we have called this load cart data function. This function will be called on page load, and it will display shopping cart details on web page. Friends, here we have refresh web page, After refresh of web page in shopping cart panel we can see message like your cart is empty. Here we can clear button also. By click on this button all shopping cart item will be removed. Now we have moved to add multiple item into cart, so we have go to index page, and here we have write $ with button ID add to cart with click event, so when we have click on add to cart button, this code will execute. Under this we have defined 3 variable like product ID, product name, product price with array data type. Under this variable we will get details from checkbox, and store under this variables. Below this we have write action variable is equal to add. This variable value we will use in PHP script for define add action. Now we have write $ with checkbox class, select product with each method. By using this method we can access product of checkbox with class select product. Under this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write the selector with prop method. Under this we have write checked is equal to true. This condition will check if checkbox is checked, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write product ID variable .push method. Under this method we have write $this with data method. Under this we have write product ID. This code has been fetched data product ID attribute value, and by using push method, that value has been stored as array under product ID variable. After this we have write product name variable .push method. Under this method we have write $this with data method. Under this we have write product name. This code has been fetched data product name attribute value, and by using push method, that value has been stored as array under product name variable. Same way we have write product price variable .push method. Under this method we have write $this with data method. Under this we have write product price. This code has been fetched data product price attribute value, and by using push method, that value has been stored as array under product price variable. This way we have store selected product data under this array variable. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write product ID variable .length value greater than 0. If this condition false, that means user has not select any item, then it will execute else block of code. Here we have write alert statement with message like, select at least one item. But suppose above condition true, that means user has selected at least one, and it will execute if block, and under this block we have write Ajax request. Under this Ajax request we have write first option URL set to action.php. Here we have send request to action.php. In second option we have write method option, and here we have write post. That means we will use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option, and in this option we can define which data we want to send to server. So here we have send product ID, product name, product price, and action variable data to server. After this we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function we want to clear checkbox of selected product, so we have write $this with checkbox class select product with each method. Under this method we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $this with prop method, and under this method we have write checked is equal to true. This condition will be true when particular checkbox is checked, and this block we have write $this with attribute with two argument like checked and false. It will uncheck checked checkbox. After this we want to display added item into cart, so here we have called load cart data function. This function will display latest shopping cart details on web page. Lastly we want to display item added into cart message, so here we have write alert statement with message like item has been added into cart. This message will be pop up on web page. Now we have moved to write PHP code in action.php, so here we have write session start function. This function will start session on web page. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with $post action variable. This variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to add. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $product ID variable is equal to $post product ID variable. Here we have store $post product ID variable value in local variable. Below this block we have write $product name variable is equal to $post product name variable. Here we have store $post product name variable value in local variable. After this block we have write $product price variable is equal to $post product price variable. Here we have store $post product price variable value in local variable. Now we have write for loop, and under condition we have write $count variable value is equal to 0, $count variable value less than value of count function with $product ID variable, and $count variable value increment by 1. Under this loop we have write if statement, and under condition we have write in array function with two argument. In first argument we have write $product ID variable with $count variable index. And in second argument we have write $cart product ID variable. This condition variable will check if particular product ID found in $cart product ID array, then it will execute if block. If it execute if block, that means particular product already added into shopping cart, so here we want to only increase quantity of that product. So here we have write $session shopping cart variable with index $product ID count variable, product quantity key value increment by 1. This code will already added product quantity by 1. But suppose above condition false, that means product is added first time in shopping cart, So here we have write $item array variable is equal to array. Under this in first key product ID value get from $product ID variable with $count variable value index. In second key we have write product name, and its value get from $product name variable with $count variable value index. In third key we have write product price, and value get from $product price variable with $count variable value index. And in last key we have write product quantity, and in this key we have write 1 as value, so this way we have store item details under this $item array variable. Now we have want to store this details under session variable, so here we have write $session shopping cart variable, and under index we have write $product ID variable with $count variable is equal to $item array variable. This code will store item details under session shopping cart variable, and in index we have store product ID details. Below this we have write $cart product ID variable is equal to array keys function. Under this function we have write $session shopping cart variable. This function will fetch all shopping cart index, and make array and store under $product ID variable, so it will get all product ID and store as array in $cart product ID variable. Friends, here first we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, in first panel we can see shopping cart details. In second panel we can see list of product. Now we have select to product by selecting checkbox, and want to add into shopping cart, so for this we have click on add to cart button. After click on add to cart button, item added into cart message pop up on web page, and above we can see shopping cart details with clear cart, and single item remove button. Now we want to remove particular item from cart, so here we have write $document with on method, and under this we have right click event with remove button class delete, so when we have click on remove button then this code will execute. Under this we have write product ID variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID, this code will fetch value of ID attribute. Below this we have write action variable is equal to remove, here we have define action of remove of particular item from cart. Now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write confirm pop-up message like are you sure you want to remove this product. If this condition true then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option is equal to action.php, here we have send request to this page. In second option we have write method option, and under this we have write post, that means we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option, here we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write product ID variable, and action variable. Lastly we have write success callback function, This function has been called if request completes successfully. Under this function we have called load cart data function. This function will fetch latest shopping cart data on web page. Lastly we have write alert statement, and under this we have write item has been removed from cart. This message will pop up on web page. Now we have go to action.php page, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable value is equal to remove. If this condition true then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write for each $session shopping cart variable as $keys variable with $values variable. Under this loop we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $values product ID variable is equal to $post product ID variable. If this condition true then it will execute if block code. Under this block we have write unset function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable $keys variable. This function will destroy particular session variable. After this we have go to index page, and here we have write $with document selector with on method, and under this we have write click event with clear button ID clear cart. So when we have click on clear cart button then this code will execute. Under this first we have write action variable is equal to empty. After this we have start write Ajax request for clear cart. So first we have write URL option set to action.php. In second option we have write method, and here we have write post. Here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data option. In this option we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write action variable. Lastly we have write success callback function. If request completed successfully then this function has been called. Under this we have called load cart data function. This function will display latest shopping cart details on web page. Lastly we want to pop up message, so we have write alert with message like your cart has been clear. Now we have moved to write PHP code, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $post action variable is equal to empty. If this condition true then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write unset function, and under this we have write $session shopping cart variable. This code will destroy the session shopping cart variable. Now friends, first we have refresh page, and on web page we can see 2 item has been added into cart. After refresh of web page also we can see shopping cart data because this data has been stored in session variable. Now we want to add 2 more item into shopping cart, so we have select to item, and click on add to cart button, and both item has been add into cart which we can see in shopping cart panel. After this we want to remove one item from shopping cart, so we have click on that item row remove button. So here we can also see total price of shopping cart has been decrease, and total number of item has been change. Now we have add 2 more item in our cart which already added into cart, so after add into cart, we can see only that item quantity increase, now whole product details added into cart, so this way it will increase quality of same product in shopping cart. Now we want to remove all item from cart, so we have click on click button, after click on clear button, after click on clear button shopping cart all item has been removed from cart, and we can see 0 item in our cart. For checkout from cart we can simply click on this checkout button, which code we will not discuss here because here we have discussed how to make shopping cart with add bulk product into cart using PHP with Ajax. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Last